Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to change a positive battery cable on a 2012 BMW 5 Series 550i. Usually after an accident, they come apart. This part inside, well, you can't really see it. You'll see the other one comes apart and the car won't start. So I'll show you how to do that. So you need a 10 mil, that nut there, and you got a nut right here. A load of 10 mils. To get that out, you can go ahead and pull this out. Then if you look, you can see right here it blew apart. We've pushed it together for right now so we can start the car and actually move it around. But you can see there's a 10 mil right here, and then you go over here, I believe it's a 13 millimeter. So if you want, you can just unscrew that, or you can take 4 clips out of here. Yeah, one clip right there, another one, and then you can pull this old plastic piece off, and then you'll be able to pull this liner out. I'm just gonna do it like this. It's a lot simpler and easier because I don't need to get the whole battery. So I'll take this apart first. So loosen that up. And then you have a clip over here. Just pop a screwdriver in there carefully. Pop that up. Then come out. Just careful, it's fragile. Very simple, easy process. You got a clip tool. There's a little clip right here. Pop it under, pops right out. Oh, I almost forgot. There's one more right here. This should be a 13 as well. Maybe we'll just lift it up, get that out of the way, slide that right out, and there you go. You can install your new one. And then for installation, just do vice versa. Slide it back on there, put that bolt back in, clip it, and reassemble everything.